splash and play with colors bright in every way. Lion, Frog, and Ellie too are ready to paint the world with you. Look at Lion, big and bold, his tail dipped in red, brave and gold. He didn't see, but now it's clear, his red tail makes us clap and cheer. He twirls around and shakes his mane with red paw prints like candy cane. A roaring dance, a silly spin, this red lion loves to win. Big jump into the blue, our frog made quite a splashy view. Now he's drippy, painty fun, looking like the bluest one. He slides and slips, he giggles loud, he paints the ground and draws a cloud. A hop, a flip, a splashy cheer, Blue Frog's fun is drawing near. Yellow power! Ellie flew high through yellow paint, she's shining bright, a flying saint. Sunshine feathers, golden glow, watch her twirl and steal the show. She loops and swoops and lights the sky with yellow sparkles flying high. She squawks with joy and sings with pride, the yellow bird we can't hide. Ellie stomped in grassy green, the silliest sight you've ever seen. Her trunk went up, the paint went wide, a leafy splash on every side. So she slipped and flopped, but laughed out loud, a greeny tumble in a cloud. She rolled and sprayed a painty smile, green elephant wins with style. Oh, what's this, a paint parade? The colors all began to trade, red and blue and yellow too. Now rainbow colors shine on you. They jump, they groove, they spin around with rainbow splashes on the ground. Painty paws and splashy feet, this rainbow party can't be beat. Fun with splash and song, thanks for painting all day long. Tell us now before you go, what's your favorite color? Let us know.